Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to open up a Pokemon tin from 2002. It looks to be a fighting type tin. Lots of nice fighting type Pokemon on the outside of it. Alright, supposed to have 3 packs in it and 1 coin. Let's see what we have inside. We have a Zorora coin. Interesting. And it has a Chilling Reign pack and 2 Lost Origin packs. Let's see. I don't think we've opened Chilling Reign on the channel yet. So let's see what we can pull out of that today. Hopefully something cool. Let's start with Lost Origin since we have more packs of it though. I'm still looking for that Giratina artwork as usual. Card code. And we start with Lightning Energy, Fantina, Gift Energy, Abomasnow, Horsey, Murkrow, Rhyhorn, Wurmple, Gligar, Reverse Rare Box of Disaster, and we have behind this a regular Politoed. On to our next pack of Lost Origin. Card code. Fighting Energy to the front. We have Riley, Nuzleaf, Wind Up Arm, Lickitung, Hisuian Growlithe, an Oddish, a Poliwag, Phalanx, a Reverse Rare Apom, and we have a Hisuian Zoroark V. Beautiful card, beautiful card. Oh, 1 hit so far out of this tin. Let's see what's our Chilling Reign pack holds for us today. This is the first time we're opening this set on the channel. Card code. Okay, starting with Lightning Energy, Path to the Peak, Dynatree Hill, Justified Gloves, a Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, Coughing, Reverse Rare Snover, and we have a Slurpuff. Alright guys, well that was the tin for the day. Like, subscribe, and comment for more Pokemon fun. This is a beautiful tin artwork. I love it. Alright guys, I'll leave you with Lycanroc. Like, subscribe, and comment for more Pokemon fun. See you in the next one.